Hey loves, welcome back to our channel. Kitty here, and for today's video, we have this Anime Babe bundle unboxing. This is from the company Otaku Baby, which are an anime and gamer themed makeup brand. Let's get into it. So here's the box, and I'm really surprised. I didn't know that the whole box was going to be decorated this way. It's so cute. So this is the name of the company, Otaku Baby, and like I said, we ordered the Anime Babe bundle. So these are some little special characters unique to her brand. So cute. The entire box is like really cute. This is her logo. Wow, there's so much in here. Honestly, I didn't know what to expect. We ordered the bundle because we wanted to try out a few different things. It's a cute little sticker, 02. Since they sell so many different products. They have eyelashes, eyeshadow palettes, lip glosses, and so much more. So yeah, we thought a bundle would be really cute to try a few of the different products. I'll start with the first one here. This is a Shy Baby, Otaku Baby. I believe this is a eyeshadow palette. You'll have the ingredients in the back. Oh no, this is not an eyeshadow palette. This is a highlighter palette, I believe. Remove this, and these are 4 different shades, from like a deep shade to a lighter shade, pinkier shade. So let's go ahead and swatch this one. Oh, this is really soft. Yeah, so these feel really soft, a little almost wet, which is I think nice for a highlighter formula. Very moisturizing. This is the darkest shade. Oh wow, that's really pretty. This also almost gives me like a rose gold vibes. Got 1 second. There we go. This is the lightest shade, very gold. And this is the pinkiest shade. Oh, this is probably the lightest, this pink shade. I'm gonna try to go over it once over. Yeah, this is probably the lightest, and this will work probably best as a highlighter if you're more fair toned, and these probably work better if you're more of a medium to deep tone. But if you feel like these wouldn't fit your cheeks well, like wouldn't look well on your cheeks because of your skin tone, you can use these as eyeshadows. I do that often with these. I feel that's the main con to palettes, face palettes like these, is that not all of the shades in the palette will fit your complexion, but you can use them in other ways. Like these are all beautiful, and I can see myself using them in different ways. So yes, that's the Shy Baby highlighter palette. Next is eyelashes. I don't think these have a name. Let's pull them out and see what's in here. So it looks like we get 1 pair of eyelashes and this eyelash spoolie, which is so cute. I don't know if my camera's picking it up, but it's like a clear wand with pink glitter in it. And the brush is pink. So cute. You can use this to clean or brush out your eyelashes. I love that she included that. And these look really cute and wispy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like these. Here is their card. We have a cute little anime character here. It looks like a Neko girl. It says Otaku Baby. Tag us to be featured on our page. I love this card. It's so cute. The next item says Certified Waifu. I believe this one is an eyeshadow palette, but we'll see. So the other one was white in the back. This is more of a peach shimmer color, like metallic pearly. Really cute. And I believe we pull it out. I think this is a sleeve. Yep. These are the anime characters Rem and Ram from the anime ReZero, I believe. So there is a mirror here. And yes, I was right, this one's an eyeshadow palette. These are really exciting colors. I love that this one's really colorful on this side, and then you have your neutrals over here. I'm not sure if I want to swatch all of these, but I think I will. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out more of the items in this box so we can see, and at the end I will swatch these since there's more colors to swatch. But yes, I'm really excited about all the colors in this one. The next item is this Slay eyeshadow palette. This is a character Nezuko from Demon Slayer. She looks so cute here. These are look like cherry blossoms. Ingredients in the back, same pearly peach pink color. And yes, this is a sleeve like the other one. This one has a mirror as well. Wow, these colors are a bit more neutral with the pink purple theme on this side and glitters on the whole bottom row. I'm really excited about that. I love to use glitters in my eyeshadow looks. I know a lot of people don't because they're not exactly safe, but if you're careful, you can have a really cute look. This, I believe, is a gloss. Oh, this is the Shy Baby gloss. And so this sort of matches the highlighter palette. I really think this Shy Baby character is so cute. This is the shade Pisces. Oh, wow. So this is a sort of like copper colored gloss, like a neutral color. And it's got so many little glitter reflex in there that shine sort of purple pink. Sorry. It's a very small doe foot applicator. Let's swatch this on my hand. Oh yeah, it's very glittery, very sheeny. I like that very much. I can't wait to try this one on. The last palette in the bundle is the Anime Babe palette, and this says I love you senpai. This looks like an original character, very cute. Oh, you see her back here too. All the little hearts and everything, and the little gamer font. Oh, I really love this. The glitter! So this one has pink glitter instead of the peach pink sort of pearlized effect. This is also a sleeve you can pull right out. And the entire palette has the exact same glitter effect and image in the front. Wow, so yes, this is a mirror. They all have a mirror. I'm very happy about that. And the glitter effect is in the entire palette. And this is a very colorful palette. I think a little more colorful than the original one, but I will compare them in a minute. Ah, this is so exciting. And then this one has glitters on the bottom row as well. Oh, there's two glitters. Like an iridescent glitter and a silver glitter. We see mattes here, and we also see like a metallic color. That's very exciting. And the names, oh my gosh. So that's Rem, Bulma, Nezuko. So you have 02, Ram, Rias, Albedo. You have all sorts of anime girl names for the eyeshadow colors. That is so cute. I'm very excited to swatch this for you. The last items in the box. This is it just says Otaku Baby. I'm not sure what it is. This might be an eyeliner. Let's open it up. Oh, it's so small. The packaging is a sort of metallic, very light pink color. Oh, so yeah, this is a black eyeliner. Here, I'll swatch it on my hand. So this is a brush applicator and it's very thin. So you can get a very thin, very precise line. That's exciting. Last item in the box. Oh, this is so cute. So this is, I think, another original character to the brand. You have the logo here. There's no shade name, so I'm not sure what this is. It's probably another eyeliner. Oh, this one's pink. So this one was a little short and like metallic, and this one's long and like hot pink. I'm not sure, but I think this is an eyeliner, like a regular black eyeliner, and this one is a glue, like an eyelash glue pen. Her website's closed right now. It will open up tomorrow, so I can't log in and look at the details, but I'm pretty sure that's what this is. Let's swatch it. Oh, it's clear. Yeah, so this one is definitely a glue. Yeah. I don't know if you could see that. This is so exciting. I've never used an eyelash glue pen. Very cool. Okay, so that's everything that came in the Anime Babe bundle. It was $94 and I believe it was definitely worth it. There are so many items here and I strongly believe I will be using all of them. Okay, let's get into the swatches. First palette I swatched is this Certified Waifu palette. These are the colors. I really love the color scheme of this palette. I think it flows very well. You have your cool tones, blue, purple to pink, and then a few neutral tones. The metallic shades swatched much better than the matte shades. But the matte shades aren't too bad. The color choices for the matte shades are absolutely beautiful. These two pinks are my favorite. This color came out a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be, and I'm actually really happy about that. It's like a lavender color. Very cute. This one's very bright. Would look really great in the inner eye. And yeah, I'm really happy. Okay, so these are the swatches for the Anime Babe palette. And here it is compared to the Certified Waifu palette. At first, I thought that these would be very similar, and they are. Only in the sense that they're both sort of rainbow themed, but they're very different. Two colors I noticed were the same are this dark blue color and this white metallic color here. But I don't see a problem with that. I honestly thought there'd be more repeats in here, but these pinks, these purples, they're totally different. This has more mattes and it has two glitters, and this has a lot of metallic shades. Yeah, both palettes are beautiful and they complement each other very well. Here's a side-by-side of the two palettes. The last palette we are swatching is the Slay palette with Nezuko on the cover. Here are the swatches. I think this might be my favorite palette. The colorful ones were beautiful, but the color scheme here has really taken my heart. This color here, it's not really picking up, but it's sort of a duochrome color, and it's absolutely gorgeous. The black glitter is really impressive, really cool. These metallics just came out so beautiful. This copper, bronze, and pink. Love them. I love the entire color scheme. I think it's really unique and interesting. I love how the packaging here matches the Nezuko color scheme. It's really beautiful. These glitters look a little chunky, but there's nothing underneath them. I think you would have to put these on with a glitter glue and sort of pat them in instead of swiping like I did here, and they would come out so perfect. Altogether, I'm really happy. This might be my favorite eyeshadow palette. I'm really excited about the the glue liner. Never tried a product like that, and I think it's really cool. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and swatches. If you did, please like this video and subscribe. Thank you guys.